What is up, guys? It's your boy the Bartist, and I am here on the Self Cut System YouTube channel. Hope you're having a blessed day. Before you do anything, make sure to hit the like button, make sure to share this video, and leave a comment if you have any questions on what I'm about to talk about right now. So today I'm going to be talking about the new release of Barber Shop in a Box. Barber Shop in a Box, it is an all-in-one self-cutting kit, and it comes with a bag. Okay, so this is going to be released in Sam's Club for the holidays. Okay, so if you guys want to get in on this, make sure to stay peeled to our social media to know when the official release is happening. But right now I'm going to be showing you guys what is inside of Barbershop in the Box. What is inside that box and what is inside that bag.
Alright, so Barbershop in a Box comes inside of a bag. When you open the bag, you will see the pamphlets and the instruction manual. It also comes with a cloth to clean your mirror. This is the trimmer. We call this the finisher, our version of the T-outliner, and it's sharp straight out of the box, 2-hour charge. Beautiful. Now we have the trimmer. This is called the Dark Knight. And the Dark Knight is also zero gap. It has a adjustable lever on the side, and it is 2-hour charge as well. Perfect. Here we have the charging dock for the trimmer, and the bag is convenient because you can put all of your clippers and trimmers right there in the bag. Very super convenient. As you can see, I am showing you where the charging ports are on the clipper and the trimmer. It also comes with oil and mini brushes to clean your blades. All right, so this kit is super convenient because you can store all of your charging ports, all of your guards, everything right there. So we have 8 guards that come in this kit, from 1 to 8. And they fit on the clipper super tight so it doesn't fall off. Perfect. So these are the guards that come with the trimmer, and these are perfect for cutting down your beard and your sideburns. Perfect tool to use on the go. There you go, we have another guard. And these guards are perfect for fades as well. The Barbershop in the Box also comes with a mini brush, 2 combs, and a scissors. Here we have the cape, the barber cape that you can put around yourself or someone else that you're giving a cut to. And this is the legendary Self-Cut 4.0 mini travel mirror. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing. If you guys have any questions on the locations or where we're selling the Barbershop in a Box this holiday season, make sure to link us in the comment box below. Also, I also hope that you guys have an awesome season and a blessed rest of the year. Peace, and I'm out here at Self Cut System.